Yo, what is going on, guys? In this video I'm going to be showing you the best geometry dash vault codes in 2026. I've managed to find some absolutely awesome codes that you can use right now to unlock all icons and more. I spent a long time searching on forums and Google and also other YouTube videos. Most of the vault codes don't supply you much or anything at all if they're expired, but these are definitely the best vault codes available, guys. So before I show you this method, make sure you do drop a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's not waste any more time, let's get into this tutorial and show you how to get the best geometry dash codes in 2026. So use your mobile internet browser. As you can see, I'm using an iPhone here. You can do this on Android as well, and you've got to go to www.crashcoupons.com. So go ahead, type Crash Coupons in, and if you type it correctly, it's going to bring you to this game code website. Now they have pages and pages, probably 100 or maybe 200 pages. You need to search using the search bar for the geometry dash codes page. Now on this page, there's some vault codes that are going to supply you some awesome things. So as you can see, these are really popular. Over 150 people have used it today alone, and there's 13,000 plus 5-star ratings. So scroll down, you can get all icons unlocked. So you can unlock all icons and skins using this vault code in geometry dash, and you can get 100 free demon keys. So all you need to do is select which one you want. I'm going to go ahead and select the unlock all icons code. As you can see, this is a limited code. There's 700 remaining, so you do need to unlock your code by following the instructions that I'm going to show you guys. I've already done this, so I doubt I'll be able to run through the full process, but I can still show you what you need to do. So as you can see, it says your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So you do need to unlock your geometry dash code, and that is because, like I said, these are the limited codes, so it is one-time use. So you can only do this once. So click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this screen here that tells you how to unlock your geometry dash vault code. Now, you need to complete 2 of the 3 offers below to unlock your code from cold coupons. So basically, guys, what you're going to have here is a list of tasks, and all you need to do is select 2 of them and follow the instructions to fully complete each one. They only take a few minutes and they're really easy. They're like mobile apps and games and stuff. So if you follow the instructions, fully complete 2 of those, it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your geometry dash unlock all icons code will be revealed. You can redeem it in the vault codes page, and that, guys, is the best geometry dash vault codes in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons, find this geometry dash vault codes page, select which code you want. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.